parking lot of this Sam's or whatever. Sam's Town is a pond.
Yeah, I'm trying to get it on video right now, but there's just not enough light to really do it justice.
I think something's happening to the cell towers for Cell South because my phone is winning the digital roaming and I'm getting a really bad signal from my internet.
Yep, electricity and water never mix good. Once those towers get hit with that water and it goes, that's pretty much it.
You can hear me, mine's still working fine.
That probably means you just didn't pay the bill or something.
I can't hear y'all, but my cell phone's working fine. Look at how much water is in this parking lot compared to when we had dinner.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Is it like an inch an hour? I think it's a little bit faster than that. It's completely across the road down here.
Yeah, that wind is just, the faster that wind's pushing it, that's how, it's driving it in here quick.
Yeah.
Yeah. This right here, that's almost to the top. It's almost yep. This is crazy. Hey, it was higher than this at the casino, Fitzgerald, yeah. And we drove through it. I've got it on a video on my phone. And then this old man with the shuttle for one of the other casinos, he kept coming through there and driving through there and actually went back there all the way.